Say hi to the camera. We're driving to a campsite. It's the daddy-daughter camping trip. Yeah. I know, but see, there's a lens here. There's a lens on both sides. So if I do this, watch. So you can see us over there, huh? I'll show you when we're done. That's right. You remember it, huh? You remember the name. Yeah. Can you see this lens? Yeah. That means it can see you. You can see the lens. You can see you. But it's just not showing it on the screen. We're going up the 505 where there's lots of farms. Yeah. In 10 or 9 miles, we're going to turn off at Esparto. That's right. It's going to be hot, but we're going to cool down in the river, right? What? Oh, it might happen. If I walk in and fall down by accident in the water.
Yeah, then live it with the fish.
Yeah.